Welcome to Tech Leveler, where I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. Now if you've clicked on this video, you'll almost certainly already know the problems that come with autocorrect, like typing slang words, and when you press enter, it auto changing it. Now as you can see here, as I type a slang word and press the spacebar, your iPhone will autocorrect the spelling. So let's quickly turn off autocorrect. First thing we want to do is head into the settings here. Now you're on your iPhone settings, you want to scroll down until you come to general. And then we want to tap into general. Now you want to scroll down slightly until we get to keyboard. And then we want to tap into that. Then we want to scroll down again slightly so we're in this all keyboard section. And the second on the list, autocorrect, as you can see, and you want to toggle this off. Now if you ever want autocorrect back on, you can come back to this page and re-toggle this back on. But let's turn it off and let's go and test this out. So let's go back over to our notes and let's see if we can type the slang word and then press space. And as you can see, it doesn't change the slang word for us. However, you do get a red line underneath and it'll give you suggested words if you need them. And that's how you quickly turn off autocorrect on your iPhone. If that video helped you out, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.